This is an install video for Audacity. This video is supposed to show you how to install Audacity on a Windows computer as well as the MP3 codec. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go to our browser and just go to Google. Type in Audacity. Click on the first link there and download the program. You'll notice it's now downloading right here. It should download pretty quickly, as you know, especially if you're on a high-speed connection. It's not a very big file. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and click on the install program and run it. Tell your computer yes and OK on the language. On this setup wizard, click next, next, let it install to its default location. You can, whether or not you want it, you can have it to give you a desktop icon. I'm going to choose to let it do that, and then click install. Okay, it's installed now. Click next and finish, and it's going to launch Audacity. Just tell it OK on this, and it has a little help screen at the beginning. Just hit OK on that. Go ahead and maximize your window. I always like to have it maximized. Let's go ahead and do a test record right now, because I want to show you the problem that you're going to have if you don't do the next step. I'm just going to hit my little record button, and of course it's going to record what's coming through my microphone. Okay, so now I have an audio file that I want to export. If you go to File and Export Audio, and we select MP3, like I'm going to have you turn in your files for this class, go and save your file. In this case, I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to call it Delete Me. That way I know that I don't really need this file. It's just a test file. And click Save. It's going to pull up a metadata window. Remember that this window is where we can put in text data associated with our audio file. I don't really care about that right now, so just hit OK. And now it says that Audacity needs the file lame_enc.dll to create MP3s. So the program right now will not export to MP3, but that's okay. We can go and download the MP3 codec library by clicking on this little download button. Click on that, and it's going to take us to this page. Just right under here where it says Windows, go to this link that says Lame Download Page. Click on that, and we want this file right here, lame v3.99.3 for windows.exe. Click on that, and it's going to download. Again, it should download fairly quickly depending on your connection speed. And there we go. It's downloaded. So now run that. Click Run, tell it yes, and we're going to go through the install. Just hit Next, let it download, or let it install into that location, and click Install, and finish. Okay, so let's go back to Audacity now. Let's click Cancel here, and it says could not open the MP3 encoding library. That's because it wasn't there before. Tell it OK. Now let's try to export as an MP3. Again, I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to call this Delete Me and save. Again, the metadata window. Click OK, and ta-da, it's saved. So now you can export MP3s all day long with Audacity. You will not have to install that MP3 codec again. So that's it.